Alright, just took the governor out of my newly rebuilt transmission. The gears look, well, like they should look out of a rebuilt transmission. They look good. I'm going to clean this up a little bit with some brake cleaner. The problem that I'm having is my transmission is not shifting out of first gear. So I've tried checking the vacuum modulator. I've ran new hose, but I still can't get it to shift out of first gear. So I went and bought some of this thicker fuel line here, and I ran that down to the vacuum modulator. Also tried adjusting the vacuum modulator a couple of times, and left and then back right. Still can't get it to behave, to shift out of first gear. Revved it up, got it past 3,000 RPMs, and it still won't shift. So I don't know what else to do except pop the governor out here, and I'm going to give it a wipe down and spray it with some cleaner, and then pop it back in and see if we can get a different result. All right, stay tuned for more information. Let's take a look under here. Yeah, really. See if that's, yeah. Yeah. All right. So, okay. We'll give her a whirl. See what we got. All right. To be continued.